What's up, lovies? Another day, another vlog! Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat today.
Magandang gabi, magandang hapon, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat today.
Ngayong araw is very, very summer again.
Is it summer?
Yeah, it's nice weather today.
Yeah, it looks okay.
So we're back here in London. Kahapon we left Mama Chris again. So yeah, we're a bit stressed processing with this wedding and stuff.
Yes, so still many things to plan, isn't it?
Still many things to plan. We might going back again there by next week to still process again.
Process.
So yeah, papunta kami ng clinic. I need to pick up my prescriptions kasi yung doctor ko tumawag this morning and we need to pick up my prescription and i-collect yung aking medicine. So yeah, how many degrees today?
20, I don't know, 22, 23. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's sunny now, so it's very unpredictable.
Tingnan nyo naman yun na nagpapagwapo siya.
I done my hair today,
Lagi.
guys. Joanna was complaining, so I fixed, I showered, and I'm fresh.
You showered?
I'm fresh like a baby's bottom.
Pwede.
Smooth. Smell good.
So yeah, gusto ko yung UK pag ganito yung weather. UK, please be just like this.
Yeah, no.
We're more happy.
We're going into autumn now.
Yeah.
So it's going to start getting a bit cold. It's going to be getting dark early. And oh, look at that dog, look.
Saan? Oh yeah! There's a dog!
You missed him. You missed too slow.
Abi!
Too
May
slow,
dog,
mate.
oh, ayun. Hindi ko man lang nakita yung aso. Oh, it looks like he is a not golden retriever, Labrador. Labrador yun.
Labrador.
I'd like to have a dog here one day. Maybe pag may family na kami ni Franco. Para may kalaro yung mga anak namin. Nagkapta my phone. Hiya.
How can I help?
I'm here to collect my prescription by my doctor this morning.
The doctor sent it this morning.
Yeah.
What's your surname?
Without E. Sabi wala pa daw. But she said that nothing's coming yet.
When can you pick up then?
No, my doctor said this morning that it's ready to collect in time. He even said that it's ready to collect now.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Can we have a call then?
We're closed now. Are you sure it's this one? Boots? What did he say? Long lane?
Yeah.
It says long lane now.
How about in Oxbridge? So, wala. Ewan ko. Don't know how it works here. Wala na naman daw. Wala pa daw prescribed ng doktor. But he said this morning it's already ready to collect. So,
Yeah, why did he say it's ready to collect?
yeah, wait, that's what he said. So, lovies, dahil may bisita kami paparating the next few days, maglinis lang ako dito sa bahay ng paunti-unti. Yeah, tapos na si Franco mag-work. And
Tapos na. Tapos na, guys. Tapos na.
a lot of students na. Back to school na.
Students.
Is it back to school?
Back to school. Oh.
So, lovies, papunta kami sa other location called Denham. And
Location.
my church daw doon. So, we'll just look and see. Kasi yung may isang priest daw doon na kilala ni Uncle. And let's see how he is. You know, a lot of you guys left different comments regarding dun sa about kay Father Baker, and we're just totally what's this?
We're cool.
No, yeah, we're cool, you know. We sobrang nire-respeto namin si Father. We respect him. We respect the beliefs here.
But don't get us wrong, right, guys?
Yeah.
Father Baker's a nice man.
Very nice. He actually jokes around with us. It's just maybe iba lang talaga. Kasi ako personally, I'm Catholic and talagang nagsisimba ako every Sunday. Lalo na before na nasa probinsya pa ako. Wala pa ako sa Manila. Wala pa akong work. Every Sunday nagsisimba ako sa Katolikong simbahan. And I witnessed my sister's wedding at Catholic church. And it was not like that. So, yeah, na-shock lang ako kasi dito siguro more strict, more old school sila, yung mga beliefs nila mas mga nakaraan pa. So I totally respect, and it make me more like, oh, ganun pala dito, o diba? So at least may natutunan ako.
Diba? Diba?
Oh, diba?
Oh, traffic! Traffic, guys! Traffic!
It's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, thank you. Oh, breakdown.
We're not closing any door kay Father Baker, and because may other meetings pa kami sa kanya by next week. So yeah, we'll just update you kung ano yung ganap sa aming wedding, but we're trying to be really cool and not stressing regarding this kasi especially si Franco.
You're not stressing you. You're stressing every day. Every day you're stressed and I'm stressed because of your stress.
No, Franco is stressed and make
Guys,
me
that's a
stressed.
lie. Joanna is stressing.
Oh, especially Franco, lagi siyang busy, and you know, 8 to 5 he's working and the
Joanna wakes up
computer.
every morning. The first thing she looks at me, rolls over, opens her eyes, and I think she's going to say, "I love you, honey." She goes, "How about the wedding in the church, honey?" And I'm get out of here! I'm going back to sleep.
Yeah, we're cool.
We're cool, really, aren't we?
Very cool, yeah. Kami ni Franco.
You're not cool.
Kami Can you shut up? Kami ni Franco yung mag-asawa na super cool lang. And we
What
always...
did you say? I'm super cool guy.
And lahat ng mga opinion ng mga tao nakikinig
Hey, what did
kami.
you say then? Don't asawa.
Can you not interrupt while I'm talking?
So guys, I feel left out when she speaks Tagalog because I still don't understand.
So ayun, lovies. Later na lang kasi ang daldal nitong driver ko.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
We are here at Denham.
You ready? That's how I'm gonna walk in.
Parang tanga naman. Ano to?
What would you do if I walked into a wedding like this? What would you do if I walked in like this?
Buang ka na. Tingnan niyo naman yung lugar dito. Abnormal talaga to si Franco.
It's a cemetery here.
Is it cemetery? Uy, bakit tayo nag-iingay? Pero may cemetery daw dito. Parang nakakatakot dito. Parang sa movie. Tingnan niyo naman, oh. Wala, may cemetery. Ayun, oh. Cemetery. We love. Tingnan niyo naman, oh. Simbahan tapos cemetery. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganyan. May bulaklak, oh. Huh?
Close today.
It's close?
Yeah, it looks like
So is this the church? It's
Yeah.
nice, man, there.
nice.
So this is the church. This is the entrance.
Yeah.
You knocked 3 times, they said.
Is it?
For good luck.
Good luck.
Ganda na simbahan, oh. Mahaba.
Yeah, look, stuff from here. Look.
Ang ganda dito, ah. Ngayon, natatakot daw kasi next to cemetery. Sige. Tandaan nyo yan, Labis, ha? May painting kaming ganyan sa bahay. Yung painting nila uncle. So, yung... Is it uncle's brother who paint?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung brother ni uncle nag-paint ng ganyan. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ang galing niya mag-paint. That's why sabi ni uncle, magtanong kami dito.
Mary's Church office. Unfortunately, the office is now closed. Please leave your name and number after.
Maganda yung simbahan. Oh, malaki. So nga lang, ayan. May cemetery. Next to cemetery. O, diba? First time ko nakita ng ganyan. Ayun, oh. Yung simbahan. Tapos, hindi siya Catholic Church. Hindi siya Catholic Church. Ano lang siya? The Church of England. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mga beliefs nila sa mga ganyang simbahan. Kasi, I am Catholic. Franco's Catholic. But, sinabi lang ni Uncle na try kami pumunta dito. And Franco's trying to call them. So, yeah. Pero in fairness, super linis kahit yung cemetery dito.
Yeah, they're only open Sunday.
May cemetery yun na yun, si
Sunday,
Kuya.
10:30. You can also have a look around here.
Ayan yung likod ng simbahan. Nakakatakot yung mga, dun, no? Cemetery dun, no? Ayan. Wala, parang dun yung nag-shooting ng mga horror movie.
So this is the second potential venue. I think in terms of the appearance, the aesthetic look, I think this one's probably better, isn't it? Out from the outside.
Outside, but we have to check
We
in
have
there.
to just check.
I mean, I don't care really with church. As long as we get married in the church, that's just my...
Yeah, we just have to check and book an appointment to see it on the inside. We can come here on Sunday again. Maybe we can go inside and ask the priest about potential marriage there. See what they say. But yeah, this is another option.
Is it? Is it normal like that here in UK? Like a church and the next is cemetery.
I think so, yeah.
Really?
No, not really. No, I haven't seen many like that. But
Yun lang. It's just my question kasi I've never seen a church na katabi niya cemetery. So, lovies, we just got back home. And we have a surprise for sure. Nakikita nyo na to sa thumbnail. And dumating na ang aming...
Silver button. Silver button.
Button.
How you say in Tagalog, silver button?
Ambot. Ewan ko. Silver.
Ambot. Aywan ko. Really?
So, kahapon to dumating. It arrived yesterday. And we did not open it because we want to open this together with you guys. Kasi nga...
Do you even know what a silver button looks like?
I just saw it some other YouTube.
I don't even know what it looks like.
But like looking at it in person, I don't know.
So guys, this is my first time ever seeing a silver button because I didn't even know you even get a silver button. But Joanna is obviously the social media expert. She told me all this stuff, so
yeah,
I'm excited.
So before we open this, we would like to say thank you sa lahat ng ating Team Lovies na sumusuporta sa amin from day one since we are in the Philippines. Imagine, after 7 months in YouTube na consistent kami nag-upload, we finally got the silver button, di ba? Parang we are so proud, we are so happy, and we are so blessed kasi andyan kayo sumusuporta sa amin, which is we did not really expect this at all.
Yeah, because we was actually looking back on our YouTube kind of videos, and I think only in March, I think we only had 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, last March. Yeah, this March lang, this year.
This March, this year,
March.
2021. So, yeah, thank you guys for subscribing to our channel and watching all of our videos. Because without you guys, we're just nobodies, really, aren't we?
Thanks God for the blessing, and thank you for the lovies who always support us. And let's open this.
Can I open it?
No,
Who's gonna open
naman.
it? Okay.
Bato,
No,
bato.
tubig.
Tubig.
Yes, I know her tactics now, so I always win. I can see in her eyes. You're jealous? She's jealous. No, do you know what?
Bilis lang.
Joanna has worked so hard for this, so
No, we
I'm gonna give
both
it to you.
work.
No, but you're the one who does all the editing. I'm joking. I'm joking.
It's a
No,
charot.
I'm joking now. I'm serious. Go on, open it.
Let's open it together.
No, you open it. Go on.
Yung gunting ko, pang kilay ko to eh.
So guys, if I'm sweet, comment down below, please.
Charot-charot ka lang lang. Hello. So,
Nervous. Gold, no?
it's silver.
Oh, yeah,
Ano
silver
ba?
button, yeah.
Gold, I think it's,
Is it real silver? Or is it just color silver?
I don't know. Maybe we can sangla it. We sangla. When we don't have money, we can.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi nga daw,
Come on, I'm gonna be all day. Oh wait, it's in another bed. Cheeky YouTube. They're teasing us. Look, they put it in another box. Oh, the third box.
So, recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing the team to purchase a personal creator award. Ayan.
Allah, it's there lagi. I think you need to turn it over.
Chunido. So, my paletter to YouTube. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of you subscribe were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In the spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievements. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continue to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you with every step of the way. Yours
Oh wait,
sincerely.
at the bottom, look. Hashtag Team Franco. Oh yes.
Hashtag
Franco.
Joanna. The Susan Wu Siki, CEO YouTube. I don't know how to pronounce the last name, but
What's this one? Look.
thank you,
See?
Susan. Manang Susan, Maring Susan.
Oh, it's just damaged.
Oh.
It's nice, man.
Oh.
wow.
Wow. It's Franco and Joanna.
Very nice.
Look
that,
at
guys.
that.
Look, Franco and Joanna. YouTube there. Wow. That's nice, man, isn't it?
There's a mirror here.
Yeah, it's a mirror.
Oh my gosh, how do you feel looking at your hard work in
Just
YouTube?
all those all those days of countless editing, doubting yourself.
Yeah, we're actually a lot of time doubting ourselves. So, sa lahat ng mga lovies namin, to all the people who are watching this right now and actually dreaming to have their YouTube account grow, don't give up, you know. Everything is struggle at the beginning, but if you just work hard and put passion and dedication with whatever you do, for sure maaabot nyo yan.
Let's do the Grammys. And the winner, the award goes to
Team Joanna!
Joanna Lynn from Butuan City.
It's nice, isn't it? It's heavy actually. It's quite heavy, yeah.
It's heavy.
Baka pwede din masangla to. Maybe we can put this in a pawn shop.
Try and sell it. It's nice, man. You have to frame it somewhere.
So, we need to find a spot where we can frame it. And of course...
Oh, so they're trying to put it like a button, isn't it? It's like
Yeah.
a button, isn't it? That's
Yeah.
why they put it in the square frame.
So, yeah, we're so proud. We're so happy to actually receive this from YouTube. And this is not just only for me and for Franco. It's for Team Lavis.
Wow, you really
we made it.
You really gave a good... Just like you were at the Oscars. And you
Team Lavis, yeah. Actually, because I just kakatapos ko lang sa meeting, so my English is really quite good at the moment. Maybe later will be ubos na.
Almost now she starts speaking the slang.
Oh yeah, Franco
Direct
heard me
work.
with the meeting earlier. What can you
Yeah.
say about my meeting?
She's a different person. Didn't even. I was like, hello. Is that Joanna? That's not Joanna. Who's that person? Please introduce me to that kind, sweet, generous person, down to earth. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
you know what love is. I'm totally different when it comes to my job. You know, like even when you speak to me and asking, like about work, it's not me. It's not like hindi nyo nakikita yung Joanna na nakikita nyo sa vlog, but it's
Yeah.
like more professional, isn't
You're on
it?
the phone, you're like, oh, hello, yes, nice to meet you. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Oh, great. Oh, sounds fantastic. With me, it's like, I can't. Washing everywhere. I need this. Oh,
Of course, I have a meeting with the manager earlier. So yeah, regarding my work. So Franco finally heard kanina. So it's just funny. So yeah, regarding this is para sa atin to lahat, lovies. We finally made it, and we are aiming for more success.
What's the next button?
Gold.
Gold. How many subscribers?
I'm not sure, like 1 million, I think.
1 million, guys. Come on, get us to 1 million. What's the next one? Is it 1 million?
Yeah, 1 million.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. So we don't know if even this one is still a big achievement.
Massive, yeah. We didn't. I to be honest with you, I thought if we was to get 100,000 subscribers, we'd have to do it for about at least 5-6 years, no?
Yeah.
To get it this quickly, I think
Yeah.
is quite flattering, really.
True. So we're so happy. I'm so happy and just happy.
Cause I'm happy belong if you feel.
Na 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 na. Woo.
Yes.
Para ka nanalo sa Oscar Award.
I like this, like you.
Alright, lovies. I hope you enjoy by watching this vlog, and of course, a celebration for today by opening our own silver button plate.
And I'm going to have a few pints, beers later with my friend to celebrate this.
Are you? Not
Yes.
even me? You're not inviting
You're not
me?
invited, no. Sorry, it's only at last night. So all my Filipino, English, American, from wherever you are around the world, you will understand. A pint with a guy is only for guys.
Oh, meron
right?
silang boys night out mamaya. So, well, I'm just here, chilling. So, ayun.
Okay, how do you pose with this? We're going to take a picture later, guys. So Joanna's been teaching me how to take a good photo. So this is what I'm
Later.
going to do. Isn't it? Isn't it? Hey?
Okay, loves. Thanks for watching this vlog. Please huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Like this video. Share this video on your Facebook or social media if you want to, lovies. Maraming salamat sa panonood today.
Maraming salamat, guys.
See you tomorrow. Always
Ciao.
remember, be kind. Bye.